Who has a phone in the class? Huh? If anyone having a phone in the class, I'm gonna take it to the office. Who's done with? Yes. Who's done with their work? Come here. Who's done with their work? No one. Are you done with your work?
No. I'm by the last word.
When you're done, come here. Now, why are you polishing your shoes if you're not done with your work?
I'm gonna quickly clean it and then after that I'll finish it.
No, you finish your work first, then you can clean your shoes. Finish that work, or I'm gonna take that brush away from me. Put that brush down and finish that work. I want it to be done before 2 o'clock because 2 o'clock it's break time. Come here.
What did I do, man?
Go sit on your bum. Don't you dare throw an attitude at me again.
That's true.
So you are rolling your eyes again. Where is it going?
I'm gonna take it out and you might just
Sit on your bum.
Wait, that much help, mommy.
Shush. Oh, who did up the mat stairs? What?
It's you. It was
Who did up the mat stairs?
Why? Calling, miss.
Why? Come
Miss,
here.
can miss check whose name is on it?
Nobody wrote the name on it, and I requested nicely to write your name on your chest. Come here, Colin. Colin, I said come here. The two of you. The two of you are going to the office. The two of you are going to the office.
What, ma'am?
Because I requested to you all to not tear your minutes up this. Otherwise,